to Stormwatch 12 meteorologist Caitlin Harvey for a look outside. Caitlin, fairly quiet this morning and a pleasant afternoon ahead of us.
That's right, and really one of the last ones we're going to see for a while. Starting off clear this morning, a few high clouds moving through the region with temperatures a little bit cool as we head further inland. 41 degrees this morning as we take a live look across the region, especially into the Klamath Basin, seeing that sunrise. 49 degrees into northern California with a few clouds, and still pretty dark west of the Cascades. 54 degrees this morning into the Rogue Valley. But thanks to plenty of sunshine expected today, it's going to be a warm one. 63 degrees by 11 o'clock as you're heading out to Hawthorne Park in Medford for the Rogue Valley Growers and Crafters Market. 73 degrees by early this afternoon. And along the coast, though we're starting off very warm, we're already watching some of those high clouds move through ahead of our next system. And thanks to gusty winds, we could actually see temperatures cool down throughout the morning and this afternoon for Brookings. Temperatures back into the upper 60s and lower 70s, with gusts up to 35 miles an hour for the coast. Northern California is back into the 70s and 80s today with plenty of sunshine. Happy Camp and Soames Bar even touching the lower 90s. Through the Klamath Basin, warm today with more sunshine. 77 are high at Klamath Falls and Bly. 76 degrees at Lakeview with gusts up to 20 miles an hour for that drive home. We're up into the 60s and 70s today for the Southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous with gusts up to 25 miles an hour for that drive home and mostly sunny skies. And sunshine today through the Rogue Valley. Light winds and temperatures back into the low to mid 80s. Now here's a look at our Stormcast model. Again, seeing some clouds move through this morning ahead of the system, but watch what happens as we head throughout today. Still staying quiet for the lunch hour, and for tonight we'll start to really watch the system, that cold front push from the north through southern Oregon and northern California. So waking up tomorrow morning already seeing more clouds. I do think we'll stay dry, but cooler temperatures will stick around for your Friday. Friday afternoon and evening we'll start to watch another arm of that system move through, bringing a chance for some rain showers and snow showers for those higher elevations. Now I've checked the models here this morning. They look pretty similar to what I was seeing yesterday, so I'm starting to gain a little bit more confidence here in our snow levels. Right around Saturday into your Sunday evening, hovering right between about 4,000 to 5,000 feet, but really plummeting as we head into Sunday night, Monday morning, possibly down to 3,000 feet. But I want to make very clear, not expecting much travel impacts as we've just been too warm. So here's a look at our Stormcast snowfall just heading into early Sunday morning. This is as far out as it'll go. We could see trace amounts toward the Siskiyou summit, Mount Ashland looking to pick up an inch or so, and Crater Lake looking to get the heaviest of it, but still only about 4 inches to 4.5 inches as we head throughout this whole weekend. Now that our snow accumulations and rain accumulations, still not as confident about continuing to track this system as it changes moving into our region. Otherwise, along the coast, we're dry today with temperatures back into the 70s, chance of showers and even a rumble of thunder or two this weekend. Northern California is up to 86 today. Noticeably cooler tomorrow and just downright chilly this weekend. 77 are high today for the Klamath Basin. But take a look at these temperatures, dropping 30 degrees by your Sunday with overnight lows into the low to mid 20s by early next week. For the Southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous, 71 today. Slight chance of showers tomorrow afternoon and evening. 40s this weekend. Rogue Valley 84 today, but struggling to get out of the lower 60s this weekend with more rain.
Yes, definitely some changes on the way, especially Sunday, seeing some of that first snowfall of the season. Small amounts, trace amounts, you even said.
Very low amounts, yeah.
Not affecting travel yet.
No.
Okay, thank you, Caitlin. We'll check back in about 10 minutes.
Sounds good.